Hi, I am a monkey. I am driving a tractor. The field is very big. This is fun. Bye bye.
Chirega. Chirega. Chirega.
Grass for cow. Let's go.
Woo! I have grass. Hehe, good cow.
You're late. Sorry I'm late. Cow's milk is good for kids.
Why cow's milk? It's fresh and healthy.
Okay, thank you.
As evening fell, the monkey thought, time to go home.
Hi, Panda. Ready for some milk tea?
Yes, I love milk tea.
They sat together, enjoying their warm tea.
The monkey wakes up in the morning. It eats bananas from a bag. Then it sits on the tractor and drives to the fields. Hey, goat, time to go! Come on, follow me to the tractor. Here we go, driving home now.
This looks like a good spot.
Let's build.
Help me gather branches and leaves. It's ready! Come on, goats!
A monkey is building a home for the goats from wood and wire. It carefully binds the planks together with the wire. The goats watch excitedly as their new home takes shape. The monkey has finished building the shelter for the goats. It calls the goats to come inside. The goats follow the monkey. Everyone is now safe inside. The monkey drives the tractor across the field. It stops at the apple tree and climbs up. The monkey picks apples and fills the trolley. The trolley is now full of fresh apples.
Now to the go down. There, all stored.